Hey traders, this is Dr. Greg McCloud from the $50,000 to $50,000 challenge. And hello, happy Friday. It's non-farm payroll day. And we're seeing, I'm going to show you the samurai sword strategy in action. We just had non-farm payroll where we had a jobs number that came out less than expected, 57,000 versus the 115 they were projecting. And that shot the pound up to a high of 1.3383. Now, using the samurai sword strategy where we have a 30-minute breakout box, this is the New York Open. So why we look at the New York stock market open, don't we trade Forex? And the thing about it is that you need money to buy stocks, right? And so the currency market moves during this time. We have four windows of opportunity, 2 hour windows, and we have the Sydney session. That's going from 5 p.m. right until about 12, and then you have the Tokyo session that starts 7 p.m. Eastern time, and then you have the London market that opens up at 3 a.m. Eastern time, and this is the New York, which is 9 to 9:30. So this box starts at 9 o'clock, measures it out, and then we got long. Did we get long? We probably need to get long, right? It'd be kind of helpful if we did. And let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and get a buy. Right, right. So we get long at one spot 3377 because we have a closing candle outside the range box, outside the samurai sword. This is our samurai sword that we can take this box and we can extend it out. And I'm trying to stay within the boundaries. I know that we are using a tighter format here, right? So we extend that box in the future for the next 8 hours, and we can see that we're breaking out. I actually took a trade in the MT5, and we can see that where we got long on MT5. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, a stop loss. Remember, we always have to have a stop loss. Number one job of traders is to protect their capital. So I'm gonna put that stop loss. I got involved in explaining the strategy that we want to put that stop loss in there. So our stop loss, we're gonna actually we have a very volatile environment. Normally, we're risking about $7 or $8 per trade. I might just go half of that and maybe risk maybe 16. But what I'm looking at is a bigger price target going out to we can use a Fibonacci expansion, which is one of my uh, signature moves. We take an expansion from the high to the low, and then pull it back, and then we can see where the 100% expansion is. That's the 61% expansion. The 100% should be the next one, and that's at 134.39 for the British pound. And if we take that to the 100% expansion, well, looky, little brown cookie. We're looking at $61.10 on our 10K lot, right? And we are using a very good risk to reward. We're actually, if we go ahead and use the risk to reward meter here, let's go ahead and get that in here. Going long, we get long here. We're already in the money by $1. Yeah. Okay, so we're looking at that 100% expansion and our stop, our rhythm out. We're putting at risk, right? So we have a 3.76 risk to reward, which is pretty good. It's a pretty good. If you need to win about 40% of your trades if you take trades with that type of risk to reward. This is called HAT or HAT. We call this high asymmetrical trading, when we risk very small for a very large gain. And that's the whole idea, that we can stay in the game a lot longer. We set this and forget it. We're going to risk 16 to make 61 all day long. I'll take that trade, and we can find other trades like that. But the reason why I found this trade, because there's so many currency pairs and so many instruments that it can be very confusing. And that's why we developed the Samurai Sword dashboard. We can find lots of breakout trades and opportunities with this dashboard that we have. I'm going to show you. And this dashboard is very powerful because it shows the opening range breakouts. It has an AI an analyst called Kenji. Kenji gives three of its top picks. It has Euro, Pound, uh, Doge, and gold up. That's broken out as well, right? And then we can see um, instruments. Aussie dollar is up as well. Broke out 24 minutes ago. It wasn't a downtrend, but they give it an A rating. We can click and see that it broke out, and this is the new opening range breakout for New York, and we broke out, and gives us a risk profile. ATR 47.5 pips. We're going to try to capture 25% of that ATR. Currently, it does 0.6944. It's trading, and so guess what? You have graded from A to F. And we have how long it's broken out from the sword, and we can take a look. This is Kiwi Swiss. That was a little messy there, and we have another one, Kiwi Dollar, which is about the same, right? And it also broke out above its uh, range as well, and it broke here as well. So this is it. And that we have a little Japanese going to let us know is organized by Aussie, Euro, Kiwi. We also have the indices, uh, and we also have the majors and all Forex. So if you want more information about that, click the link in the description, and there's a video that will tell you more about the samurai sword strategy and how we do it. We'll check on those trades. Let's get back to the charts and take a look back at our. And okay, and we have we're kind of pulling back a little bit, still in that range, right? But our stop is right located right there. We're risking 16 to make 61, and we're looking for prices to move up. Now, the great thing about this whole strategy is you don't have to be right all the time. In fact, you can be right just 44% of the time. If we look at the log and take a look at what's going on, and we can see that, yeah, 1,086 pips, but the R is 26.2 R, right? 43% win rate, win 70 out of 69 trades, average win is 72, average loss is 67, profit factor is 1.23, but the expectancy is a positive 5.93. Okay. Now, if you are a geek for numbers, you know that this is a positive expectancy. Okay. So anyway, well, we'll bore you with that stuff. But anyway, we'll do an update and let you know what the pound dollar did. And